If Spotify is not playing songs or music, it could be due to connectivity issues, app glitches, or account settings. And here are the solutions to fix this problem. So let's get started. Firstly, check your internet connection. Spotify requires a stable internet connection to stream music. Test your internet by opening a browser or another app, or simply switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if the issue resolves, or restart your router if needed. After you have done so, simply try restarting the Spotify app. Simply open the Spotify app, then simply close it and reopen it again. If the app freezes or does not respond, then simply choose Force Close to close it. Now, also, Spotify servers may experience downtime sometimes. You can visit Spotify status on Twitter or site like Down Detector to know if it is server down. Then simply go to the App Store in iOS and Google Play Store in Android. Then in search address bar search for the Spotify and update if it is available. Because an outdated app version may cause glitches on your Spotify problems. Now that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.